Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to review the NTK Arizona GT and show you how to set it up. First you got to spread it out, then you got to extend each of the poles and stake it in. Then after it's all staked in, you slide the tent poles into the sleeves. Each sleeve is color coordinated to the color of the pole. White sleeve goes to the white pole, red poles go in the red sleeve. The next part, you just got to lift it up kind of from the center. This takes 2 people to do. Then actually you just take the end of the pole and you put it inside the little peg that sticks out. Then you just snap the tent onto the poles. Then just pull the rainfly over. The rainfly has hooks on it and it just hooks right into the loops at the bottom of the tent. Then you need to extend out the rainfly so it's not on the edge of the tent. Just put a stake in those, pull out the sides and put a stake in it. Has 2 doors, one on one end and one on the side, as you can see there. It comes with a little tarp so you can, I'm assuming it's for your feet. It's a fairly big tent. You walk into the mudroom area. You can actually have your privacy curtain down if you want. As you can see, we have a queen size mattress there and a couple singles. It's got plenty of storage space right there. And also over here you got some more storage space. It's got a little hanging net up top. You can just store stuff, or you can just take that off and put a hook, put your light up in the hook. Alright, so here is the outside of the tent. It's quite a nice tent. The best thing about it is the rainfly goes all the way to the bottom of the ground instead of like halfway up where most rainflies go, and you can actually pull it out from the tent so the rainfly never even touches the tent. There's extra string holds that pull it out, so you can tie some string out and then pull that out again so it won't touch the tent as it gets wet. Some vents, nice vents where they kind of just they pop out. Here's another one. Again, there's a door on this end. You can actually pull this part out and make another fly, like a little porch area. Roll up that window. This whole section, this whole green section right here, rolls back, and so you can just use that as a skylight, or you can use that as just watching the stars, because it's just the netting inside the tent. Again, another one of those vents. This has a little zipper access for an extension cord if you're camping with a place that has power. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with this tent. It is a little pricier than other tents of this size, but I think it's worth it because it's just got so many features. It's so nice to have. It's pretty easy to set up. We've already camped in it in the desert, very hot desert, so we obviously didn't have the rainfly. That was nice because you can just, it's got the thick netting on the top so you can see the stars and let some air in. We've slept in the rain. That's the main reason why we got this, because the rainfly is so long and sticks out so much. All in all, it's a pretty good tent. I would highly recommend it. Yeah, it's pretty easy to set up. It definitely takes 2 people to set it up. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and write them below. I'll be happy to respond to anything that I see. If you could just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're always trying to review new products. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can actually buy it. This is a great tent. It's really great for the family, or just a couple that has a lot of stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.